Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to upgrade your taxation on the TFT game or Teamfight Tactics game. Of course, it's both the same. So the first thing that you would like to do, just go and open your game, of course, through the Riot client. If you have the Riot client already downloaded on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through any browser. Just go and open whatever browser you're going to use for that. And of course, once it's opened, you will have to go into this URL section and type download Riot client. Once it then click at the enter button. Of course, once it's downloaded, you will have to open it up, and once it's opened, you will normally find yourself with a home screen or a main screen like this. Of course, here or those you will find your games that's already installed into your PC. If you have the Teamfight Tactics, you can just go and open it up right now. But if you don't have it already opened or downloaded, you can just scroll down a bit into this all games and make sure to download it through this option. Of course, here you'll be able to download it on your PC if you want, and even if your phone, you can download it on iPhone through the App Store, or Google Play, or Android through the Google Play, or even on PC through the League of Legends. Of course, once it's downloaded, you will find it right here. You'll need now just to go and open it up, and of course, just go and find your game on the matchmaking. That will be pretty easy. Once you do that, you will normally find yourself on a board like that, in a game like that, and here you will be fighting other people. Of course, you will know, I guess, a bit about TFT, so I don't need to explain those steps. And of course, how can you actually upgrade your taxation is actually by buying some taxation on the client if you want. There's the league client if you want to buy some taxation here, of course. There's the option of buying them here, or there's even the tome of trade that will upgrade your taxation if you want. That will be it. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.